Hey, Kaza family, Kaza Investor Network here with a flip file trim tip of the day. In a house here being trimmed out, and one thing we're doing in this house is kind of making a little bit of custom trim out of a piece of base molding. This is regular old 5 1/4 inch base molding that you see at the bottom of your wall trim, and ripping off the top piece. There's a OG detail. That's what that little curvy bit is up at the top. We're ripping that off and using just that top curved OG bit as a trim detail in a couple of places. We're making shadow boxes with it. You can use it for the second piece of a 2-piece crown as what's called the neck mold or neck band underneath the crown up at the top. You can use it in a couple different places. And what it leaves you with after you rip that down, if you cut it really carefully, is 1x4. And this is the remaining pieces, and that comes in real handy in all kinds of places. So we use it here in fireplace details, anywhere we're putting other kind of details around. Sometimes you can use it in doors and windows if you have a contemporary house where you can just use a flat 1x piece there. You can use it in closets when you're framing out closet shelves. It comes in handy all kinds of places. You can make larger shadow boxes out of it. Always a way to use a good piece of 1x trim. It'll come in handy somewhere in your house. So it always finds a home and gets us away to much cheaper than buying multiple pieces of detail trim, like buying a 2 or 3 piece crown set is rather expensive. So this gets it done a lot cheaper, a lot easier. We can do it on site with the guys that we've already got in the house. And as I said, there's always another use for it somewhere else with the leftover 1x. So think about that. Maybe use that in one of your houses. Give it a shot, see what you can come up with, and you come up with a fun, fancy trim idea, let us know. And otherwise, catch us next time at the oldkazainvestornetwork.com, and we will see you again soon.